So MedInsight is very unique because we have 25 years of working in the healthcare claims and analytics space. We are a bunch of data people that deeply care about your data. We have spent tons of time, we have spent a tremendous amount of investments managing some of the most challenging data workloads, and more importantly, we've invested millions of dollars innovating around data management, data interoperability, and more importantly, how we can provide insights for value-based care organizations as they make that transition from fee for service.
Over the last couple of years, it's just been one announcement after another about new technologies, blockchain, large language models, generative AI. It's started to have a really big impact. Everybody's trying to figure out how do you take these technologies and integrate them in the tools and make a more efficient, higher performing healthcare organizations. One of the key pieces is really figuring out what's the right data and is the data good enough quality to have AI, generate answers from it. So that's one of the things we really focused on is not only these new tools, but how do you feed those tools and make sure that they're correct? And I think that's going to be one of the biggest things about biggest issues coming into the marketplace is trying to figure out how those tools, how and when to use the tools and when to rely on it. And that's something, I think we're well positioned as MedInsight to really help with that.
The world has changed really dramatically, and it's affecting healthcare in a whole bunch of different ways. So we have to stay on top of the way people expect to receive healthcare, the way they expect to receive and utilize analytics. So we've really focused on changing our user experience so that it's easier to use our software and to gain knowledge and solutions from our software. We're investing heavily in AI because we think that AI can bring a lot more information and insights to our clients through mass amounts of data, and we have mass amounts of data, some of the most in the industry.